Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn off Toniebox step by step. How to turn off a Toniebox. First, stop any audio that is currently playing, and if a Tonie figure is placed on top of the box, remove it so playback ends automatically. Then simply leave the Toniebox on a flat surface since it doesn't have a traditional power button like most devices. By default, it will automatically go into sleep mode after a short period of inactivity to save battery, so in many cases, you don't actually need to turn it off manually. If you do want a full shutdown, turn the Tony box upside down and press and hold both ears for about 10 seconds until you hear the shutdown sound. Once that happens, the device is completely powered off and will stay off until you turn it back on. This method is useful when you want to conserve battery for travel or a long period of non-use. If the box doesn't respond, make sure it isn't still playing audio or connected to an active Tonie figure before trying again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.